e-learning. Welcome to this e-learning course entitled The Care Certificate. This e-learning course will provide you with a thorough knowledge and understanding of the 15 standards of the new Care Certificate, essential for all those working in health and social care. The online materials include quizzes, activities and checklists to help reinforce learning as you work through each topic. You'll also need to complete a workbook for each unit, which must be checked and signed by your manager or assessor. These allow evidence to be gathered and underpinning knowledge to be acquired. When you've worked through the entire course, you'll be asked to take an online assessment. The e-learning materials and the workbook combined cover all of the learning outcomes of the new standards. Before you begin, click on the Resources button and download the Self-Assessment tool. You might want to discuss how and when to complete this with your manager. Click Next to continue. Welcome to the unit called Understand Your Role. This unit will help you to identify and understand what your work role is. It will also introduce you to the codes of conduct and practice which apply to health and social care professionals. You'll go on to look at the policies and procedures in place where you work, as well as your rights and responsibilities as an employee, and discover the importance of complying with agreed ways of working. The unit concludes by exploring different working relationships and emphasizes why working in partnership with others is essential and beneficial to all concerned. Click Next to continue. After completing this unit, you'll be able to do the following. Understand your own work role and describe your main duties and responsibilities. Explain why complying with agreed ways of working is important. Describe how working relationships are different from personal relationships. And understand the importance of working in partnership with others. Click Next to continue. To help you to define your role as a health and social care professional, Skills for Care and Skills for Health have published a code of conduct for health care support workers and adult social care workers in England. Click on the buttons to read summaries of your main responsibilities according to the code. You can access the full document via the Resources button at the foot of the screen. The Care Quality Commission, CQC, is the regulator of health and social care in England. It has produced a guide for service providers to help them to comply with the following. The Health and Social Care Act 2008 Regulated Activities Regulations 2010 and the Care Quality Commission Registration Regulations 2009. Here are some of the key outcomes or regulations identified by the Care Quality Commission in their standards guidelines. Click on the More button to read each one. Which of the following aspects of health and social care work are covered under the 16 regulations listed? Select the ones that apply and then click Check.